SafePro's Spotlight AI, TRL Level 8. Over 3 years of operational proof and ready to deploy. Today's battlefield is fundamentally different. Adversaries continuously emplace mines, ambush drones, and IEDs across entire areas of operation, layering threats faster than any unit can manually detect. Every echelon is collecting aerial imagery at unprecedented scale. But the analysts required to process it do not exist in sufficient numbers at any level. Drone imagery sits unprocessed while commanders make maneuver decisions without the threat picture they need. Manned and autonomous systems, from frontline assault platforms to rear area logistics vehicles, are at constant risk when they cannot identify minefields, obstacle chains, and ambush threats in their path. We don't make the drones, we make them smarter.